The newest 11 a.m. update from the National Hurricane Center just came out moments ago.
And we are now officially under a hurricane watch.
So let's get right to Storm Team 5's Glenn Glazer for the very latest on this 11 a.m. update. Glenn?
All right, thanks guys. I'm just reading through everything right now, but when I show you the track here, I'm going to read the exact wording from the National Hurricane Center so you have a better idea of what we're looking at. So here's a look at Irma as it continues to move to the north of Hispaniola. It's still cruising at a pretty fast speed now, moving at about 17 miles per hour. I'll show you the exact track in just a moment. And as we take, I'm going to move out of the way so you can see it a little more clearly here. And as we take a look at it here and we zoom in, you'll see still very well organized, large eye, moving toward the Turks and Caicos with the potential for a 15 to 20 foot storm surge. So my apologies, moving at 16 miles per hour to the west-northwest, winds at 175, so it's still a Category 5 hurricane. We'll go through the track here, and as you take a look at it, it stays the Category 5 through 8 o'clock tonight, through tomorrow morning, and then possibly weakening to a Category 4 as we get to late Friday and early Saturday. Then it continues to move up to the north toward Florida. It continues this turn here. The cone looks very, very similar to this morning. I'm not sure, but it might have a slight edge a little bit more to the east, but not much. And this is Sunday morning, 8 p.m. where this, 8 a.m. rather, where this line is here. And then it continues to move up to the north through our viewing area as possibly a Category 4 hurricane. So here's the exact wording from the Hurricane Center on this. The threat of dangerous major hurricane impacts in Florida continues to increase. A hurricane watch has been issued for the Florida Keys, Lake Okeechobee, Florida Bay, and we have a list of all the different watches that have been issued for you coming up here in a few minutes. But a storm surge watch has also been issued for portions of South Florida and the Florida Keys. So there's a lot of things going on at this point. We need to be prepared for a major hurricane either being very close or making landfall in our area on Sunday.